Thanks. Excited to see everyone joining. We'll get started here in just a moment. Hope everyone had a great weekend.
Nice to see you, Jackie.
Hey, Brandy. Nice to see you too. Thanks for joining.
Thanks for inviting me.
Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, everyone. Thank you for joining our InfoPulse series. I host this every single month. And what we do is we try to either include one of our partners or give an update on the technology industry or what's going on in company as well. So thank you again just for joining. We wanted to give a sneak peek into one of our updates with our content management system, Giffy, with everything going on with AI and it becoming more and more popular. We just wanted to show one simple way that you can help your processes and streamlining them, but also how to introduce AI into your business. So before we get started, I'm just going to go over our agenda. A few things that we're going to be touching on: why registering articles and posting them as blogs on your website, the importance of it, why blogging is important, most importantly, and then just a brief overview of how Giffy CMS, the new integration with AI, can help streamline this. We'll discuss the key takeaways and then always open it up for Q&A at the end. So why should you be registering your articles and blogs? With everything going on these days, the more information you have, the better, especially as a consumer, as a potential consumer, or even just for your own education. But for registering articles, this is really important for a variety of reasons, but one thing is copyright protection. So when you're registering your articles, this just helps provide legal protection by establishing your ownership of the content. So in case you might have any copyright infringement, which hopefully not, but this just having a registered article, this just helps strengthen your position if you ever have to come across any legal proceedings. Another thing, credibility and trust. When you have a registered article, this lends credibility not just to your website, but your overall brand for your business. So when you have visitors or even clients looking at this information, they're more likely to trust the content that's officially registered over something that's not. So it just further enhances your reputation as a reliable source of information. And with these two things, it also helps your search engine optimization benefits. So search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL, if you still utilize that, they value original and registered content first and foremost. So this actually positively impacts your website's search engine ranking and also goes hand in hand with your visibility and organic traffic to your site. Another thing too with having registered articles and blogs is it helps with monetization opportunities as well. Registered articles can be monetized through licensing or syndication, allowing you to generate revenue from your original content, which in turn makes that content a long-term asset. So this, when you're registering your article, it transforms that into a long-term asset for your business, furthering that intellectual property portfolio. And then also too, potentially attracting investors or partnerships or whatever goal you have in mind for your business. And another thing with registering it, it goes into copyright protection, legal protection as well. So that just helps strengthen your legal rights and provides a basis for taking legal action against plagiarism or unauthorized use of your content, because you put a lot of time researching the information and registering it and putting it out there. You don't want someone to take it and brand it as their own. You want some type of recognition, which we would all, right? So just overall, registering your articles and posting them as blogs not only protects your intellectual property, but it also enhances your credibility, improves SEO, creates monetization opportunities, and provides legal protection for your content. So going based off of that, we're going to talk about some of the different benefits more in detail. With search engine optimization, when you're regularly updating blogs with relevant keywords, it improves your website's search engine ranking, making it more visible to potential clients or that organic growth traffic. And it also showcases your expertise. So all of these things really tie in together. Blogging allows you to demonstrate your knowledge, your expertise in your industry, your niche, building trust with potential clients, visitors, increasing the trust with your current clients, and just furthering yourself and positioning your company as a thought leader. So that further drives traffic. So when you're really doing all researching and coming up with interesting and informative blog posts, it attracts those visitors to your websites, increasing your overall traffic and potentially generating new leads. So when you're engaging your audience through your blogs and your platform and it's engaging, everyone loves when a company comments back or they share a post or they do some type of social media interaction, just further fostering a sense of community and loyalty and not just feeling like they're a customer to you. They become more of a relationship. And that ties into how people want to be more educated on what they're buying or how they're being consulted or just information on a particular product nowadays, because education is power. So when you have a blog that can educate potential clients about your products or services, addressing like common questions or concerns, or even giving advice or tips and tricks, or showing them new updates in your field, whatever it might be. This just further helps guide them through their buyer journey and makes them feel more comfortable with you, and having it registered also helps with that credibility as well. So when they feel this way, it helps to generate leads too. So when you have well-crafted blogs that can also include, call to action buttons or links to relevant landing pages, even if it's outside of your own website or your own company, this just helps encourage your visitors to take the next step, such as signing up for a newsletter or requesting a consultation or requesting pricing information. So in summary, just all of these things really tie hand in hand, and they're all beneficial for your business. And before I show a video of the AI update we have with our content management system, I wanted to show the difference between the manual article and your content management system, an AI-generated article in your content management system, and how both of them come together. So obviously, whenever you're doing it manually, you're doing it yourself. You're a human, you're not a robot. So it's created by human writers. So it involves a lot of research, writing, editing, which can be time-consuming and expensive, but it does ensure personalized and creative content. So on the other side, when you have AI-generated articles, it is faster, it is more cost effective, it does lack the human touch, and creativity. You do have to fact check because nothing is perfect. But it does balance out, the speed and cost. But, everything has a balance and effect to it. So whenever you're bringing them together, combining them together, it just leads to a well-rounded content strategy. So leveraging the strengths of both methods really gives you more effective and efficient content creation, where you also get time back to do the things you really enjoy. So now I'm just going to show you a brief overview of our update in Giffy.
Welcome to Giffy, your go-to platform for effortless content creation. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-generated article. First things first, let's log in to Giffy using your unique username and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. To access the CMS console, simply click on the settings icon at the top right corner and select CMS console. Now, let's register a new article. Choose the AI-generated article option from the menu. Enter the topic name for your article. Today, let's explore the advancement of AI in the last decade as an example. Specify the word counts for the title summary, meta description, meta title, and article body. Don't forget to include relevant keywords for optimal SEO. Once you're satisfied with the inputs, simply click on the Generate button and watch as Giffy's AI engine crafts a polished, SEO-optimized article in a matter of seconds. After generating the article, you can customize it further by selecting images, choosing the category, setting the publishing date, and assigning an author. And with a simple click of the Save button, your article is now ready to be published. It's that easy to create and publish high-quality content using Giffy. Unlock the power of AI-generated content with Giffy today. Sign up now and revolutionize your content creation process. Happy publishing!
Super easy, super simple, and very straightforward. So some of the things that we can take away from having AI generated or AI assisted articles and blogs is efficient content creation. So it streamlines your process, saving time and effort, not just for owners, but also whoever might be working on that. Customization options, definitely tailor articles to any specific preferences, ensuring that they align with the website's goals and audience's needs, as well as your clients. Diverse content coverage as well as from different various topics, industries. The AI module, it really caters to a wide range of content needs. It also helps with your competitive edge. So it's one simple way you can introduce AI to your business where it can be innovative, enhance your user experience, and be engaging without making too many changes. It also helps with technical insights. So with seamless integration, different security measures, scalability, it helps with performance optimization, and it just helps ensure a more smooth and reliable, streamlined workflow. It's also a really user-friendly process, as you saw, step-by-step, really simplifies the implementation, minimizing, disruptions to your existing operations. You don't have to change a lot. You don't have to completely start from scratch or relearn an entire new system. So these are just some tangible benefits that you can implement to your business without having to do a huge revamp. Goes in hand with, integration compatibility as well. And it also helps with continuous improvement and expansion of other AI tools to help ensure, your website really remains ahead of the industry or along with the curve of, introducing AI or different aspects to your business. So, really blogging and registering your articles are beneficial for a lot of different reasons. It boosts your SEO, showcases your expertise, drives traffic, engages your audience, generates leads, helps to educate your customers, and helps to just streamline your overall processes and really nurture the credibility and trust to establish new relationships and even help nurture the current relationships that you have. So before we get into the Q&A, our next webinar will be on Tuesday, May 21st at noon. What we'll be going over is a comprehensive overview of your Google Workspace. So if you know of anyone who's utilizing Google Workspace or they're thinking of it, definitely join this. We'll be going over some tips and tricks with Stephanie Gomes. She's a Google certified cloud specialist on how to utilize that. So now I will go ahead and open it up for any Q&A if you have any. You can either put it in the chat or hop off video and let me know. I don't think anyone has any Q&A, but you can always reach out to me through LinkedIn or jackie.habermill@infoflex.com for any unanswered questions, or if you are interested in learning more, you can always book a free consultation. You can also do that directly through infoflex.com. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and we will see you next time. Thanks for joining, everyone.